Hey everyone, it's Rob Galerno again with Journey Fitness Center. As you know, we have teamed up with SmoothieBox for your 30-day challenge. We're bringing you another video today and another exercise. So today I wanted to go right into lunge. Lunges are great for stability, balance, and overall strength in your lower body. Okay, so let's get started. We want to start with our feet shoulder width apart, and we want to pretend there is a line painted in front of our foot that we're going to step forward with, right? So when we step out, our feet are still shoulder width apart as our legs are longer apart, okay? So from there, we want to focus on a few things. Our knee not going past our toes, and then pushing off on our heel on our way back up. Keep the upper body straight up, and you can maintain your balance a little more easily if your arms are extended out in front of you, rather than arms on the hips or just down at the side. So if you struggle with, hey, what do I do with my arms? Either put them out front or put your hands on your hips. Again, remember, look straight forward, keep the chest up, try and touch the knee to the floor. We're not slamming that knee into the floor, we're just gently lowering ourselves down, nice even cadence. And on the way back up, we're squeezing the glutes, we're squeezing the hamstrings, the back of the leg, and the quadriceps, the front of the leg. Every time we come up, we're flexing them all. 70% of the weight on the front leg, 30% of the weight on the back leg as we do these. Step back and switch legs. Easy exercise for you. There are many more different types of these, and we can show you in later videos. So this is just one more tool in your toolbox. Hope the smoothies are great. Hope you're enjoying your challenge, and we'll talk to you soon.